Can you please elaborate? Are there any stages of securing your data?
Of course, there are different stages where we can, take these measures. On the, when we categorize it, there are three stages. One is when the data is at rest, when the data is moving, and the other one is when it is being used. When the data is rest, it can reside in your computer, in any storage infrastructure, any database, any file system, or it can reside in any permanent database or storage. When the data is in transit, it is actually moving from one endpoint to another, be it your private cloud or public cloud. So the moment it leaves your device, be it a mobile device or a computer, when it leaves your device and it hasn't reached to its destination, it is in transit. So you have to secure when the data is at rest and when the data is in transit. Number three is when the data is in use. So this is very critical. When you are making changes to any artifact, when you are making changes to or accessing it, or changing it or deleting it, erasing it, so at that moment you have taken out that information from the database, from its in at rest position to use position, where you are actually you may be keeping it in your RAM or in the CPU, or you're processing that data. So on all three stages, you have to have certain mechanisms, frameworks to secure your data.